All right, guys, we're going to start with math on day 4. So, understanding of how multiplication and division are connected. Model it. Multiplication and division situations. A pet store has 18 hamsters. The shop owner wants to put 3 hamsters in each cage. How many cages does the shop owner need for all the hamsters? So, you don't have to use equal groups because, well, you still are using them, but you're not going to have to draw them because obviously we can't draw here. So, for instance, 3 hamsters in each cage. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Next cage, 4, 5, 6. Next cage, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm going to move this one just a little bit back because we don't have space for it. But that's how you can do your equal groups. So, go down here. Write a division equation for the problem. Use a question mark for the unknown number. Okay, so we know that there's 18 hamsters, and we're putting 18 first because with division, we always use the biggest number first, just like subtraction. So 18, we're going to use a backslash for divided because we don't have a division button on our computers. So 18 divided by how many hamsters per cage? 3. Equals, we don't know. So let's find out. We're going to use a multiplication problem now. So they don't want us to put the answer just yet. So we have 3 times question mark equals how many? 18. Remember, that's part of our fact family. We have the 18 on top, and then we have the 3, and then we have our unknown. So now we need to figure out what that unknown number is. Let's count how many groups you have, and then that's your answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So 6 is our unknown number. Easy peasy, right? So now I'm going to erase that and put a 6. So you don't have to change these right here, but just know that it is a 6. All right. So now you're going to continue going through here and doing this. Remember, they're a fact family. So 24 divided by 3 equals this number. This question mark number right here is going to be the same number right here. So that means that number ended up being what? So just do it that way. How can you use the 3 numbers in a division equation to write the related multiplication equations? Well, remember, they're a fact family. So just show me how you can take a division problem and turn it into 2 multiplication problems. Same thing down here, but they actually give you some numbers to use. Science. Think about the article that you read, which was yesterday. So, down here, it's about the climate in the polar zones. So, you should have taken notes on this. If you did, they should be right here or on a separate piece of paper, whatever that you feel comfortable doing. So, what is the article about? Think about the main idea and the most important details. Share your ideas with someone or write them in the box. So you don't have to type this out. You can just talk to somebody about it. Then, do you have any questions? So if you have questions, you can either ask somebody or you can just type them in here for me. Now, main idea is basically when you finish reading that, what was that entire article about? Just like the biggest picture you can think of. Then, the most important details, what are some of the things that stood out to you when you read it that you think are the most important? And then put them here.